So now we will see the question number B of the Codeforces round 812, the optimal reduction. So what this question says, consider an array A of n positive integer. You may perform the following operation. Select two indexes L and R and then decrease all the elements of LA R to LA by 1. Let's call FA the minimum number of revision needed to change the array into an array of n zeros. Determine if all the permutation of B of A such that f of B is always greater than f of A is true. So basically what you have to do, like what is f of A? F of A is the minimum number of operation need to change that array into n0. So basically what you have to do, you have given an array, right? And what you have to do, you have to convert all the element of the element to of the array to the 0. And how you can do this, you can select any two element, you can select any sub array. What you can do, you can select any sub array and make it 0. Like I will explain you how. Like take an example. I will take an example. Like, okay. Yeah. So let's take this example 2354. Okay. If you see the example 2 3 5 4. Now what we have to do, we have to convert this array into array of zeros. Okay, we have to convert this array into array of zeros, and we have to count the minimum number of iteration to convert it. So basically if I will try to count it, the minimum number of iterations, so how can I do this? First of all, what I will do, I will minus 1 from all this array. 1 2 4 3. Again I will do minus 1 again, so it will become 0 1 3 and 2. Right, now what we will do, we will consider this array, we will not consider this. Right, we will not consider this because this is 0. If we do minus 1 again, it will become minus 1, and we don't have to do this. Okay, we will first we have considered this array and we have subtracted minus 1 from every element. Now we will consider this array and we will do perform exactly the same operation. And what we will do, 0 0 2, it will become this. Now we will consider this array and it will become 0 0 1 0. Now we will consider this array, this sub array, and now it becomes 0 0 0 0. Now we will see like how many operations we have done. Operation 1 2 3 4 1. Okay, so basically we have subtracted 1 here from here and 1 from here, 2 5 4 3 2 1. One operation this. So yeah, we have total done 5 operation. Okay, now what the question is saying, is there any permutation of this array? Is there any permutation of this array so that the operations are less than these operations? So basically what the question is saying, like suppose this is a permutation and I make another permutation like 2 3 4 5. Okay, is there is possible in array so that its permutations are less than this permutation? Okay, if we try to calculate the permutation of this, you will also get answer 5. Okay, try by yourself. So basically you can't make any permutation. So you can't make any permutation so that the minimum operation is less than this. Okay, you can try this by your own. You will get to know like the number of operation to decrease to 5. Okay, so this was the first test case. So we have printed yes, because like number of operation can't be less than the minimum number of operation of this. Right, for this you will also get like for this what you will do, for this what you will see, first you will decrease 1 from every from every element, so it will become 0, which become 1, it will become 2. Now again you will decrease 1 from this sub array, 0 0, 1. Now if you will subtract 1 from this array and it will become 0, 0, 0. So how many operations you have done? 3. So like is that is that possible to convert this array to uh, is this possible to convert this array to the like like it is possible to convert this permutation into another permutation so that the number of operations are less than this. Okay, is it possible? So like if you like make any other permutations, like any other permutations, you will not get like less than this. I will explain you why. Now first of all we see this example 3132. Okay, now what we will do, you will try to convert this array into, now what I will do, I will try to convert this array into 0, 0 array and see, I will count how many operation I needed. So basically what I will do, I will like subtract 1 from this. So 2021, it will become 2021. So you can observe one thing. Now 0 has divided this array into two part. So basically what you have to do, what you will do, you will deal with this array and you have to deal with this array alone. Like basically you can't take this subarray, because if you take this subarray to subtract -1, this 0 will become -1. So basically what 0 have done here, what 0 has divided this subarray into two parts. So basically this array into two parts. So now we have to individually convert this 2 to 0 and we have to individually convert 2 to 0. So basically if you will see like one operation has like it took one operation to convert from this to this, and if we try to convert this from 0 to 0, so first of all I will take this array and convert this into 0, so it will be 0, 0, 2, 1. Now I will take this array and I will try to make it 0, so it will take two operations, like you can try it. So it will like basically what number of operation is taking, 2, 3, 4. So basically the number of operation it will take 2, so it took 5 operations. Okay, so one operation for conversion of this from this, one operation from conversion of this from this, and two operation for conversion from this from 0, 0, 0, 0, right? This is our approach. Now what you have to do, you have to see now what you have to do, you have to like see, is there any permutation of this array so that we can get the minimum operation number of less than 5. Okay, I will say yes. Like I will explain you why. If you sort this array 1, 1, 2, 3, you get this, like sorry 1, 1, sorry 1, sorry 1, 2, 3, 3. If you sort this array, you will get this array. So if you will try to convert this array to 0, like you can easily convert into three operations. You can try it. So like 0, 1, 2, 2 in one operation, 0, 0, 1, 1 in one operation, 0, 0, 0, 0 in one operation. So take how many operation you have done? 3 operation. So basically 3 is less than 1. So basically permute 1, 2, 3, 3. Permutation of this array has less number of has to perform less number of operation to convert it into 0, right? So what we will why this is happening, like why, now the question is why this is happening, right? Now the question is why this is happening. If you will see, in this array, I have told you there is a one element which is smaller than both of its end, right? So basically, if there is an element which is smaller, so basically this is 3, this is 1, this is 3. So basically, if we decrease both of this element from 1, it will become 2, 2, 0. Now what happened here? You have converted it into 0. Now these 2 point are become different. So basically, you have to perform 4 operations, 2 for this, 2 for this, to convert it into 0, 0, 0. So basically, what 0 have done? 0 has divided this array into 2 small subarray, and you have to perform like uh, individual operation for these. But if there is a no element, like if there is a no element which divide this array, then the operation will be minimum. So if this is the array 3, 3, 2, 1, there you can't get any element which will divide this array into 2 subarray, right? You can try this, like if I do 0, like it will become 2, 2, 1, 0 if I subtract 1 from it. Like now this is 0, like this is not dividing this into, it is basically, it is what it is doing, it is dividing it into one or into a single array, right? It is not dividing into two array. So basically, so what we have done, so what we will get from this, if if in the array if in the array if the array is monotonic decreasing, and after decreasing if it is monotonically increasing, right? If the array is decreasing and then increasing, if this is the pattern, if the array is decreased first and then increased, then our answer will be no. Otherwise our answer will be yes. If our array will be increasing decreasing, like other than this, it will be yes. If it is increasing, if it is decreasing, then it is also yes. But if in any case our array first decrease and then increase, then our answer will be no. And you can now simply code it. I hope this will be clear to you. Now I will like now I will show you my code. So in this code, like if a of I is greater than of a of I plus 1, basically what I have done, I have just run a for loop. And if I just check if if I get if I get a of I is greater than I1, I have just like set it decreasing as a true. Basically what I have done, if I get this if I get like this, I will set a deck into true, right? And then if I get deck equal to true, and also get one element which is increasing, I will set flag as a true. If flag is true, our answer will be no, otherwise it will be yes. I hope this will clear to you.